Well, in the old days, there's a reason why I always give you side your name, and that's because when you see this card again, you'll know that it's your card. And I can't have two too much. So not all hands with it. Can you hook your hand?
All comfortable there?
Yeah, can I raise the seat a bit?
Yeah, so it's just on the side of the seat, just down there.
Is it?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, so just lift that up.
That's lovely.
All happy with the sort of forwards, backwards and such as well? Yeah, no worries. Cool, I'll come and join you in the car.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, that's... Cheers. Right, one key.
Okay.
And you just insert it over there by the light switch.
Right then.
Just that end, yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter which way it goes.
We put a foot on the brake, is it?
Foot on the brake, yeah.
Yeah.
Turn the key, and away we go.
Okay, how to get some cool air?
It's just, I've got that running ready, so.
That's lovely.
Yeah, it should start to come through there. That's probably because my colleague's going to get this close. A little bit better?
That's it? Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
Cool. And it's just push the button all the way down the bottom to drive. Are you happy with your mirrors and everything before we move off?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Cool.
Or maybe bring that one in a bit.
Yeah. So if you push so you see the arrow buttons just below those. There's those buttons. So if you push the left-hand one, the actual black bit of the button.
Right.
Yeah, perfect. And then use the joysticks to move.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
That's good.
Okay. So, yeah, whenever you're ready, really.
Was that put? Okay. Oh, I can't remember. It's push or pull.
It's
get it off.
Push, but you need your foot on the brake.
On the brake. Right.
There we go.
Okay.
And whenever you're ready to go, obviously just be aware there's a lot of people around, but we're just going to come out of here, follow it round to the right. Okay. Just stop to let this out, which is great. Cool. Do you want to come up a bit more, or are you okay?
Maybe up a bit more.
Yeah, so just lift the back of the... Yeah, perfect. Cool. So away we go. Come out of here, turn to the left. And just straight over here for us, please. just the first exit, just up here.
Yeah.
Okay. So as we come around here, just keep your speed nice and low. I'm going to pop the car in sport mode.
Okay.
And you can now feel the difference in the acceleration, okay?
Yeah, difference in sound as well.
So even though this car doesn't have the sports exhaust, the way that the exhaust gases are rerouted through the turbo will make a difference to the noise of the car. Okay, you're probably sort of hear a little bit more of a, sort of a pop and bang in the higher revs as well. Just a nicer, sort of more roaring noise, really. How are you finding the drive so far?
Really good. Yeah, I feel at home.
Good. Years or something, that's when you might, very unlikely.
Straight on?
Yeah, straight on, yeah. That's when you may at times sort of get minor issues, but it is quite minor, so dual carriageway now, you've got the limit of 70, so you can stretch the car's legs a little bit if you'd like to. So you've got that extra acceleration in the sport mode. So just straight over this one again for us, please. Do that in this lane as well, that's fine. Great. This section dual carriageway is probably just over half a mile, maybe a bit longer. When we get to the end, we're just going to go right round and back the other way.
Okay.
So you'll probably towards, once we get under the bridge and round the corner, you'll probably want to start moving over to the right hand side, okay?
Yeah.
Just right round to the right, fourth exit, please.
That's nothing to do with cars, but it was to do with burning general waste.
Yeah.
And making sure that there weren't any pollutants in the air after it had been burnt. Obviously, it would have been burnt at a very high temperature, but they've got some method of cleaning the air, and what was left, the residue, was like a powder, I suppose, and it could be used, it was neutral, it wasn't poisonous, it could be used in the building industry or filling or whatever, and it is possible to, you know, burn all that and to capture all the smoke and the gases completely, or that's what he was trying to tell me. But he was saying something about South America, I think it was being tested, or
so just a right turn here if you can, please. Third exit.
Okay. Yeah, I can't wait till October now. And Porsche haven't said there's going to be a particular car show that they're going to reveal it, I suppose.
No, not yet.
No clues.
No, they haven't given us any info. Officially, the only thing that we have seen is the Autocar road test of the
Express, I think, mentioned it as well.
Yeah, there's a couple of car magazines that have been invited to South Africa to drive the pre-production prototypes. And it's very interesting. I mean, from the articles that I've read, and I'd like to stress it's purely down to the articles that are, they're published. None of it's confirmed from Porsche. It's just information that journalists have told us through these articles. The three engines that the car's going to be released with are the 2 litre, and the power's going to be up a little bit from the 250 that it's got at the minute.
Yeah.
The 3 litre that is in this car already, again with a slightly improved power output.
The S and the turbo, I think it was.
Yes, the turbo. According to the articles, again, it's not Porsche info. It's the articles that we've been told. There is going to be the 2.9 litre
that's right.
bi-turbo engine that is currently being used in the Cayenne and the Panamera. So there's another one going the other way. Look at that. But yeah, it's interesting stuff, and we're really looking forward to it as one of our most popular models, something that we really want to see. But there's another one there, look at it. So there we go. What I'll do is I'll just pop the car just out of sport mode, because obviously we're around town at the minute, so it's probably
no point.
It's running the engine a little bit higher revs and such, so probably find it a little bit calmer to drive now.
That's good.
Yeah, it's very distinctive. You can see it just in the rear view mirror, just there.
See that blue one?
Yeah, the GT3. Certainly a great day for it. There's some really interesting cars coming the other way or following us or whatever. It's great.
Great fun.
It's almost a shame not to have the roof open. Final sort of few hundred yards now, just coming down towards the roundabout.
That's it. Yes.
So as you can see, the centre just in the distance, just up there. If you just wanted to hop straight across the roundabout, please, Bob. That's lovely. And then round to the right, please. That's lovely.
Same car park?
Yes,
this one on the left?
Same section of the car.